In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the width of a text box so that your content fits more neatly into a single line or shorter lines. This is an incredibly handy skill, especially when working with documents or designs that require precise formatting. So, let's dive in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you're going to want to locate the text box that you're planning to edit. This is essential because the text box acts as the container for your text. And by adjusting its size, you can control how your text flows within the space. Once you've found your text box, simply click on it. This action lets your software know that this is the object you wish to modify. With your text box now selected, look for the sides of the box, specifically either the left or right edge. You'll notice that once you hover your cursor over these edges, the cursor may change, often into a double-headed arrow, indicating that you can now adjust the width. Click and hold down your mouse button, and as you do this, begin to drag the edge of the box outward. You can either drag the left edge to the left or the right edge to the right, depending on your preference or the space available on your document. Now, as you perform this motion, you'll start to see your text reflow. This means the words will automatically adjust and align themselves according to the new width you've just created. If your box is wide enough, this will effectively transform the text into a single line, or at least significantly shorten it compared to its original alignment. One useful tip to keep in mind is that if you want the text to be completely restructured into a single line, ensure that you have enough horizontal space in your document. You may need to adjust other elements on the page to make this work. Keep an eye on the overall layout to maintain a visually pleasing design. This technique can be particularly beneficial when working with graphical software or word processors, where text alignment can dramatically impact the design's readability and aesthetics. By mastering this resizing trick, you're adding a valuable tool to your skill set, one that can help you maintain clean and tidy layouts with ease. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've learned how to manipulate a text box's width to achieve a more streamlined and organized appearance. Feel free to practice this method with different types of content to become more confident and efficient in your document editing tasks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial both helpful and easy to follow.